Hey food lovers, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you two amazing recipes, one for Nigerian stew and the other for the most amazing super delicious Nigerian jollof rice. Let's get started. So we just have to blend up our tomatoes and we cook them down to a very thick paste, and right now we're just gonna season our chicken. In goes my aromatics, finely chopped. So right now I'm just gonna dunk in all my vegetables. And mix. And I'm just gonna season with salt, seasoning cube, rosemary, and thyme. Curry powder goes in now, and we'll give it a really good mix. In goes 1 cup of water. And it's off to cook. It's ready guys. In goes cooking oil and finely chopped onion. I love to cook my onion for longer. It helps to release the beautiful flavor of onion, and I love this brand of tomato paste. It gives me a good quality tomato paste. And if you're working with tomato paste and fresh tomatoes, you want to cook your tomato paste first. You want to incorporate the beautiful aroma of the onion. The sweetness of the onion will complement the tartness of the tomato paste, and it gives you an amazing flavor. So cook your tomato paste first. And right now we're just going to give it a really good mix. And it's going to cook down for like 5 to 10 minutes. And in goes our freshly prepared tomato puree. We cook that down to a very thick paste, and we're gonna mix that in really well. So guys, the secret to making the most amazing, super delicious Nigerian stew is your cooking time. You want to cook down your tomatoes for longer. This is a really large batch, so I cooked it down for like 30 to 35 minutes. But the key is whenever you're preparing stew, you are looking out for the texture of the tomatoes. You will see over time as you cook through, the texture will change. The tomato will lose more moisture and it will release the residue oil. You're going to see a lot of oil as you cook for longer. So that's an indication that you are eliminating most of the moisture and you are getting that beautiful, gorgeous flavor. You're creating flavor. So right now we're just going to cook that down until we see a lot of oil released, and this is exactly the texture you're looking for. And it's ready for seasoning, so we just season with salt, rosemary, thyme, and seasoning cube. And guys, always remember to stir continuously while you cook your stew so it doesn't burn. And if you have a non-stick pot, it's ideal for this method. In goes my curry powder now, and I'm just gonna stir that in. And now our chicken stock. So I strained up to 4 cups to 4.5 cups of chicken stock. I just added 2 cups now, and I'll set the rest aside for my jollof rice. And you want to stir continuously, you don't want it to burn. So right now we're just going to take out 3 cups of this really delicious tomato stew. We're going to keep that aside for our jollof rice. This is cooking smart. You don't have to cook hard, just cook smart like me. Yes guys, you're welcome to try this recipe. And in goes our chicken. I just grilled it on high for like 10 minutes and voila, in goes the chicken. And so guys, I just added some assorted meats. This is what makes it 100% Nigerian stew. We love our assorted meats. I love the rustic flavor it gives to my stew. Really delicious, guys. You have to try this recipe. And guys, I serve this with white rice. It's really delicious. You can as well serve it with some spaghetti. It goes really well. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Remember to like and share my videos and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. How do you make your own Nigerian stew? What are your special tricks? I want to learn from you guys and let's have that interaction. So right now we're gonna make the most amazing, super delicious Nigerian jollof rice. So right now I just gave my rice a really good rinse to eliminate some of the starch, and I'm gonna cook it down for like 10 minutes, parboil it for 10 minutes, and it's out for a good rinse. So now in goes my tomato stew and chicken stock. I'll give it a good mix. It's time to season. In goes salt and curry powder as well as seasoning cube. And we stir. And we allow that to boil. It's boiling. And we're just gonna add in our rice. It's really important to parboil your rice if you're making jollof rice. It just prepares the rice to receive the flavor from the tomato base we made already. So it's really good. The rice is able to absorb the stew quicker and you have a really flavorful jollof rice. So guys, parboil your rice. So right now I'm just gonna stir in really well. Season with some salt. Then allow to boil. So while it's boiling, I'm just going to reduce my heat to the lowest. I did reduce it to 1. And then I cover with some foil. So I'll cook that for 40 to 45 minutes. And it's ready. It's ready, guys. You see how beautifully gorgeous this rice is. The color is amazing. It tastes really good. I have to describe the taste for you guys. If you've ever been to any party and you have that jollof rice, you cannot help but crave for more. This is what we're talking of. I love you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.